If you've ever told yourself, I'll start eating clean on Monday, only to find yourself knee-deep in cookies by Wednesday, then this video is for you. After my second daughter, I was addicted to sugar. I don't mean I liked it, I mean I needed it. Every afternoon, I'd tell myself just one piece of chocolate, and I'd end up scraping the bottom of the bag. I'd wake up bloated, tired, and mad at myself. I'd promise to do better, but by the next night, my cravings would win again. Nothing stuck until I finally learned how to beat my sugar addiction step by step, the same way I lost 42 pounds and kept it off. Today, I'm breaking down the exact 3 mistakes that kept me hooked on sugar and what I like to call the sweet freedom framework, habits that help me finally break free of sugar for good. And if you're a woman who wants to lose belly fat without spending hours in the gym, I created a free flat belly workshop designed specifically for you. I will give you a simple step-by-step blueprint so you can lose your stubborn belly fat, boost your energy, and finally feel confident in your own skin again. And you can sign up by clicking the link in the description below. Mistake number 1, thinking sugar cravings are just about willpower. For the longest time, I thought my sugar addiction meant I had no discipline. I'd watch other women say, "Oh, I just don't crave sweets." And I would think to myself, like, how? After my second baby, sugar was my comfort. The 3 p.m. slump? Sugar. The late night loneliness after the kids went to sleep? Sugar. I told myself I'd just have one bite, but it was never one bite. I thought I was weak, but I wasn't. My blood sugar was simply on a roller coaster ride. Every time I skipped a meal or grabbed something low cal, my body panicked and begged for the fastest fuel it could find. Sugar. Your cravings aren't about discipline, they're about chemistry. When your blood sugar spikes and crashes, your brain literally screams for sugar to survive. Once I started eating balanced meals with protein, fiber, and healthy fats, those I need sugar now moments started disappearing. So if your body isn't the problem, what's the real reason you can't stop reaching for something sweet after every single meal? Mistake number 2, feeding emotional hunger with sugar. Most of us aren't just craving sugar for energy. We're craving comfort. Stress, boredom, overwhelm, all of it sends us looking for that quick feel-good hit. I remember standing in my kitchen one night after a long day with my kids. Everyone was asleep and I opened the pantry just to look. 5 minutes later, half a bag of chocolate chips were gone. I wasn't hungry, I was just tired and lonely. That was my light bulb moment. I didn't have a food problem, I had a coping problem. So I started changing how I dealt with stress. When I wanted sugar, I'd first drink water, fresh air, or write what I was feeling in my journal. 9 times out of 10, the craving passed in minutes. If you eat sugar to soothe yourself, the fix isn't to swear it off, it's to find better ways to handle what's really happening. You don't need more restriction, you need more release. But what if you've tried cutting sugar before and still can't stop thinking about it? What makes it so hard to stay off of for good? Mistake number 3, trying to quit sugar cold turkey. Every time I tried to cut sugar completely, I'd last maybe 3 days before a full-on binge. The harder I tried to avoid it, the more obsessed I became. I'd toss everything sweet out of the house by Sunday, proud of myself. Then by Wednesday, I'd be at the store buying it all back. It was a cycle of restriction and regret that kept me stuck. When I finally stopped trying to detox and started retraining my taste buds slowly, everything changed. Instead of quitting cold turkey, I swapped habits one at a time. I replaced soda with sparkling water and lime, added fruit after dinner instead of dessert. I paired dark chocolate with almonds instead of milk chocolate alone. Little by little, my cravings faded because I wasn't shocking my body. I was training it. You don't overcome sugar addiction with punishment. You overcome it with patience and a plan. Small swaps done daily beat massive changes you just can't sustain. So if quitting cold turkey doesn't work, what's the right way to beat sugar addiction step by step? The Sweet Freedom Framework. Once I stopped treating sugar like the enemy and started working with my body, I built what I now call my Sweet Freedom Framework, the exact system I still use today. Here's how it works. Number 1, start balanced. Begin your day with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. This stabilizes your blood sugar so cravings don't hijack your morning. Number 2, hydrate before you snack. Cravings often mask dehydration. Have a big glass of water or an electrolyte drink first. Number 3, plan a sweet moment daily. Don't ban sugar, plan it. A few squares of dark chocolate or a fruit bowl after dinner. When it's intentional, it's controlled. Number 4, reroute emotional cravings. Pause before you eat. Ask, am I hungry or am I stressed, bored, or tired? If it's emotional, do something soothing instead. Walk, stretch, breathe, text a friend. Number 5, stack wins. Every time you make better choices, celebrate it. That's how you build momentum that lasts. Beating sugar addiction isn't about being perfect. It's about getting smarter. You're not cutting joy from your life. You're taking back control of it. You can absolutely break free from sugar without cutting out everything you love. You don't need a detox. You don't need shame. You just need a system that teaches your body to trust you again. That's how I went from being stuck in a nightly sugar binge cycle to feeling strong, lean, and in control without restriction. Pick one swap from this video: balanced breakfast, water before snacking, or your daily planned sweet, and do it for a week. Then come back to this video and tell me what changed. And remember, if you want to lose belly fat without spending hours in the gym, you can join my free flat belly workshop by clicking the link in the description below. I will give you a simple step-by-step blueprint to help you lose belly fat just in time for the holidays. Because you don't need willpower. You need a plan that works with you, not against you. You've got this, and I'm rooting for you.